Welcome to this brief tour of the property search functionality contained within the Four Corners Economic Development website. This functionality is designed to support the interests of our local business community as well as site locators throughout the nation and world in locating appropriate commercial and industrial property, both buildings and raw land, for the expansion of their respective businesses. To navigate to the available site and properties webpage, select the hamburger patty in the upper left corner of the website, and then navigate to the available business properties page located underneath the site selection section. Embedded within this page are tools provided to 4CED through its relationship with GIS Prospector, a leader in database integration services for economic development organizations like 4CED. For purposes of our illustration, we'll assume that a site locator from out of state is seeking a warehouse facility in San Juan County that meets her client's needs for at least 20,000 square feet of space. This question, prior to implementation of this tool on the 4CED website, was virtually impossible to easily answer. As a result, most site locators would choose to look elsewhere and bypass San Juan County. Let's take a look at this particular page. Note that there are navigation tabs across the top, and the web page is, upon landing, configured to the Property Search tab. Moving from left to right, we note the ability to conduct a search and filter export results, as well as a map of San Juan County showing the location of available commercial and industrial properties. In total, there are 196 properties listed as of this date. Information regarding properties is updated every 2 weeks. To conduct the search, we have two different approaches. The first is the most comprehensive method of search, and that is using the All Filters option. Under the All Filters option, users have access to all the selections found on the navigation bar, as well as some additional options. Most importantly, in these additional options are property assets, criteria set, and the keyword search fields. Keywords allow a user to filter through the textual information contained within a given property's description. For our example site locator, location with an opportunity zone might be important for her client. This filter is also found under the All Filters tab. In learning to use the tool, you are encouraged to experiment with different building sizes, prices, and types, and all other search criteria. Returning to the navigation bar to conduct our search, we will enter 20,000 feet in the size filter, sale, and industrial. Pressing enter, 196 properties have been sifted through and distilled to 5 meeting the criteria. By clicking the View Details link of a selected property, we are now able to see the rest of the information about the property. We can see a map view, street view, and, if the listing realtor has made available, a virtual tour or 3D rotation view. Using the scroll bar, we can view the rest of the realtor-provided textual information for the property. We may wish to share information about this property with others, and the 4CED website allows you to do this by selecting the PDF, print, or share option. The share option provides the user with a hyperlink to the actual search result. Note also that the tool provides access to view a city profile as well as an abundance of economic and demographic data about the community surrounding the facility. These tools are important to site locators and decision makers. 4CED is excited to deliver this functionality to its investor members and to the world at large, and would love to be able to serve you should you have questions about how to use this and the other tools from GIS Prospector found in the 4CED website. Thank you.